Hello and welcome back to another video of CircuitDigest. So in this video I am going to build a audio or music visualizer like this one using an Arduino Nano 32 by 8 dot matrix display module and a microphone module. So what does this audio or music visualizer do is it will react or change the pattern on the LCD dot matrix LCD module according to the signal that it receives through this microphone. This 32 by 8 dot matrix display module, as you can see here, it has 4 8 by 8 display modules, and all the modules are connected here. So the output from first module is connected to the input pins of the second module, and so on. So all these 4 dot matrix display modules are controlled with 4 MAX7219 driver ICs. So before going to its working, let's first take a look at its circuit diagram and the code that we are using, and then we will connect it to the power source and play music and test it how it works. So the circuit diagram is very simple. Here, as you can see, we have only connected a microphone and the 32 by 8 dot matrix display module. So this display module works on SPI communication protocol. So the 3 pins are connected. 3 pins that are SPI communication pins are connected to the hardware SPI pins of Arduino Nano, that are D11, D10 and D13, and it is powered with the 5 volt and ground pins of Arduino Nano. And on the other side, the microphone is connected to the VCC and ground pins of Arduino, and the signal pin is connected to the analog A7 pin of Arduino Nano. So now let's move to the code that we are using here. So this is the code that we are using, and this complete code with a complete step-by-step guide can be found at the link in the video description. We started the code by including the libraries. So these libraries, both the library Arduino FFT and Max72XX library, can be installed directly from the Arduino library manager. And after that, we have created 2 instances for Arduino FFT and the display module. The first instance, that is for the MAX72XX display module, it requires 3 parameters. So the first one is the hardware type, second one is the CSP, and third one is the total number of devices connected. So as you can see here, we have connected 4 8 by 8 dot matrix display. So we have mentioned 4 here. Now then in the next line, we have defined 2 arrays to save the real component and imaginary components of the signal. Now inside the setup function, we are beginning the SPI communication with display, and also we are initializing the serial monitor at 9600 for debugging purposes. Now inside this void loop function, what we are doing is, first we are collecting 64 samples of the audio from the microphone module, and then we are passing it through the FFT algorithm to compute the 64 spectral components for the real and imaginary signals. And once we got the components of the 64 signals, then we use this map function of Arduino library to map these readings into a known range, that is 0 to 8. So what 0 means here, that all the libraries in that particular column will be turned off, and 8 means that all the libraries in that particular column will be turned on. And after getting the range, we are just displaying this range on the dot matrix display columns. So this is the complete code and circuit diagram that we used here. Now let's get ahead and test it by playing some music. So here I have connected my Arduino Nano and this complete setup to the power source, and now I am going to play some music to test it. So this is how you can use 32 by dot matrix display module with Arduino Nano and a microphone module to build a music or audio visualizer like this one. So a complete step-by-step guide with complete code and the STL files for printing this casing is given at the link in the video description. Thanks for watching the video.